How's everybody doing? It's DeAndre Fletcher with another game like scenario. I've switched from the large chess engine because of how much time that would take. And so I'm here with an unbeatable chess game using the web. So yeah, let's get right into it. You can choose either white or black. Let's go for black. Okay, hey everyone. Yeah, I fixed it. Now I'm on the Google Chrome, and I can. There you go. Okay, so for some reason there was a problem when I opened it with Firefox, but here it is. I am white. So I'm trying to win, and I can't seem to win at all. And then I have my engine talking a little trash. I got lucky. Let's go for the center. Got lucky again, and so it's in a situation like this. Oh wait, no, I'm good. Oh yeah, I lost. So there it goes. Ha, got him. Talks more trash. So, that's my engine. Yeah, it's great. Hold on, let me see if I can. Yeah, okay. It plays very rather than playing this block square, I wish it would have played this square over here to effectively end the game. So that's one thing that I want to work on with this, probably throughout the next week. But this is the initial setup of it, and I'm very happy with it. Um, it wins by accident, but it can't lose. So I'm happy with it nonetheless. So yeah, that's my not my chess program. I wish I was doing the chess one to so much time. But yeah, this is my tic-tac-toe engine that I can't beat. So yeah, I had fun making this. Thank you all.